Imagine this is your picture for inspiration. Now, I do get a lot of animated characters, and my customer gave me this as an inspiration. She did say I could make any version that I would like, but to use it as inspiration. So I know the heart is really important. I didn't want to copy the exact picture that she gave me. I wanted to do something original, but, very much like the character. So I made a bunch of hearts, and I wanted to put them in a type of like, not a topsy-turvy form, but something like really beautiful. So I decided to put them on the skirt and on the bodice. I had a lot of gold fabric, so I also added those also in a like gold piping. I pinned them all to the front of the skirt in type of an apron shape. I made some ruffles on the side of the shoulders, and I wanted to give my customers something really exciting also. So I got this crown for her, and I put some like beaded notions on the sides, and I wanted to add like a wand for character. I thought this was really beautiful, and this is the big reveal of our knee-length Queen of Hearts dress. I hope you guys love it.